Introducing a convenient way to help reduce condensation in high humidity areas, like bathrooms and basements. The new humidity sensor and fan control developed by Leviton can help. It automatically detects excess humidity and responds by turning on the ventilation fan. This helps reduce condensation and lessens the occurrence of mold and mildew, providing a more comfortable environment. Watch how the humidity sensor and fan control automatically turns on the room's ventilation fan when excess humidity is detected. The sensor continues to monitor the air and automatically turns the fan off when the humidity level has dropped. The humidity sensor and fan control can be manually turned on for immediate ventilation needs. Press the fan icon and the fan will run for the preset time, and then turn off automatically. Users can also adjust the sensitivity to ambient air, so the sensor operates the fan only when appropriate, preventing false tripping. You can change the timeout setting by simply rotating the dials found under the face of the device. For areas requiring periodic ventilation on a continuous basis, like damp basements or home spas, the humidity sensor and fan control can be set to air cycle mode. This feature will automatically turn the fan on for a set period of time every hour. For instance, 20 minutes on, 40 minutes off, each hour. The device's built-in humidistat control meets Cal Green requirements for indoor air quality and exhaust. It's designed to fit in a standard wall box and requires a neutral wire for operation. Be sure to follow Leviton's installation instructions, which accompany the product. The Leviton humidity sensor and fan control is the smart choice to help keep all the damp and humid areas of your home ventilated and comfortable while saving energy automatically. To learn more, visit leviton.com/humidity.